How to share Netflix account with friends. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will show you how you can share your Netflix account with your friends. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to share your Netflix account with friends, it is actually very simple and it's actually also possible. And in order to do that, first of all, make sure you've either downloaded or updated the Netflix app to the latest version. Once you've done so, just open the Netflix app and then make sure to sign into your account. Now, in order to share your Netflix account with friends, they need to have a user ID or your account email or account access. If they don't have it, they will not be able to watch Netflix. But what you can do is, if you think that their viewing preferences disturbs yours, you can create a separate profile for them. So as in this case, you can see I have 5 profiles, and if I want to share my Netflix account with them, I need to simply create a new profile for my friends, and then they will be able to log into that profile. Let's say that I have 5 profiles, and since I've maxed this out, I'll basically not be able to create another profile. But if I want to delete it, I'll need to tap on the edit button. I'll just tap on any of the profiles and I'll choose the option called delete profile. Now what we can do is, after we've deleted a profile, we can also choose to add a new profile if we like. So in order to do that, just log into Netflix, tap on the edit icon from the top right, manage profiles, tap on the add profile button, enter your friend's name, and then make sure that your friends log in with this profile. You can also log each specific profile if you want, but I'm not going to discuss that in this video. You can watch them up in our other channel. That's all it takes to share Netflix account with friends. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.